What is the hype behind mechanical keyboards? Now we will disclose all the dirty secrets of it. First, it looking damn good. It's not some utilitarian tool, but a stylish part of the interior and your working place. Some of the keyboards are real pieces of art. Also, the sound is really satisfying. You can choose among thousands of parameters. Make it clicky of creamy, loud, or silent. Actually, the sound is also influence a lot the quality of your copy. You can easily learn blind typing when you feel proper mechanical response. Last but not least is a common feature that most of the customers are looking for, is an inspiration. With this adorable piece of art, just for $100 you get an inspiration and courage doing any task. You getting bored less and new, fresh ideas are coming every day.